severely disrupts the land and the foliage, so that could have severe impacts on the ecosystem and whatever animals or plants are living there. And then I also know that it can take things from one part of the land and send it to another part of the land, so that could introduce new, I don't know, bacteria or insects or something that would be maybe beneficial or negative.
Well, they're a natural occurrence, so I don't feel like they're necessarily a bad thing for our environment, but they are bad for people because they kill people and destroy trees.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes,
I'm going to say 20%.
I would think probably about 35%.
Oh my gosh, the world. I would guess 20%.
73.
we were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your
Stuff from houses and trees and stuff.
I would think that houses, buildings, anything that has been built structurally that is destroyed will disperse. So that's all debris. But also I would think I think about all the things, the gasoline and different things that go on through your house, how that gets spread out because of disasters. I would think that would be.
does it almost feel like you?
$2 billion. Well, I would probably say it's a lot. So over probably $10 billion.
Depends on the tornado, I guess, and where it was, but I would estimate it'd probably be $1 million in damage or more. I bet that's my best guess.
We began the rubble or our sins. Oh, where did we begin? The rubble or our sins? And the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your
environment sometimes. I can't. Really close. You're talking in the video. Okay. Oh, we have to go get Mandy too.
Wait, what ones am I doing? Oh, 1 and 2?
The ones in a circle. Baby darling.
you up in a Cadillac like a gentleman, bring it glamour back, keep it real to real.